Hey, so this is Flow app. It is constantly in the top 100 charts and top 100 most used apps in the US App Store recently. And this is just like a period tracker app for women, and it's used by 180 million women. And it's also partner of the United Nations programs, app of the day in the App Store in over 30 countries. So you can see all these features which it has here, and I think for women it's a really nice and easy to use app which simplifies a lot of things, and really nice concept idea from the developers of the app. And then you can just install it. So it has the size 186 megabytes. So yeah, and you let's see the reviews. You have 700k reviews, ratings, and 4.8 average review out of 5. So that's incredible. Um, yeah, so you can see that. And then you can just see here the app. And you just can get reminders, and then you can just create an account. So as an example, let's see like the design and how the app is designed. And we can just skip all of that. You can skip. You can see just all these questions here. And there you have, then it will create some personal program. So as you can see, the design is like very nice to use. It's very like simplistic. Then you can choose your plan. So 1 year is $39.99 or 1 month for $7.99. And then you can just tap all of that. You can sync with your health app, and then you can see all of these parameters which you can just add. And then you can say how much like water did you consumed, how much weight did you logged in, and then you can see all the recommendations here. Then there are also insights. But then also there is interesting part that there are like secret chats, which is part of and yeah, so that makes it a bit like a social media. So you can just go to your account, yeah, and then you can probably also post here and read all the info in this niche. So yeah, that's the app. Well designed. I think it was built actually by some Belarusian team who built some other apps for Facebook or something like that. So that's why I'm kind of interested how they did that. You can also, of course, enable notifications for all of this, but basically that's it. So you can just do the stuff here and you can edit your info, you can upgrade to premium, and here's what you can get if you upgrade to the premium. So personalized program, PDF health report, assistant chats, customized avatars, premium support, and all of that. So that's the app in a nutshell. That's just how it works. There's just an overview if you're considering creating an account. So you can start with a free account. So, but of course, then you can upgrade to premium. So that's how it works. Hope it is helpful.